Imagine you have two magic coins. You keep one in New York and send the other to Tokyo. When you flip yours and get heads, the one in Tokyo instantly turns to heads too. Every single time. No wires, no Bluetooth, no delay. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, but today, we call it quantum entanglement. At the subatomic level, particles like electrons or photons can become entangled. When this happens, they share a single existence. According to the laws of quantum mechanics, these particles don't have a definite state until we look at them. But the moment we measure one, its partner, no matter if it's in the next room or the next galaxy, responds instantly. It's like the universe is keeping a secret ledger that updates faster than the speed of light.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Einstein hated this idea. He thought there must be hidden variables. Basically, the particles had a prearranged plan. However, physicists like John Bell proposed tests to see if the universe was truly spooky. Fast forward to 2022, and the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Aspect, Clauser, and Zeilinger. Their research proved Einstein was wrong about the hidden variables. The connection is real, it's instant, and it defies our classical logic of space and time. So, why should we care? Because entanglement is the backbone of the next technological revolution. We're talking about quantum computers that can solve problems in seconds that would take today's PCs millions of years. Or unhackable communication lines where any attempt to eavesdrop would break the entanglement and sound the alarm. We aren't just observing the spooky anymore, we're starting to build with it. The big mystery remains, how does the information travel? The truth is, it doesn't travel at all. In the quantum realm, distance might just be an illusion, suggesting that everything in the universe could be more connected than we ever imagined. It's a mind-bending reality that proves the deeper we look into the small stuff, the bigger the questions become. If you could instantly link two objects in your life so that what happens to one happens to the other, what would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Stay curious.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.